So far, we'd landed some nice Atlantic salmon and lost a few, but we were still looking for our big fish. The water was perfect, we had the green machine on, and confidence was high.
There he is.
There he is. And that's no small fish. Did he ever come nice? Oh, what a beauty. Vaughn spotted him. He said, as I was reeling in, he followed it for about 4 feet and then took a splash at it without actually taking. So we waited for a minute, let him get back into his lie. Well, I'd say we've lost half of our backing, and that fish is halfway across the river and downstream. All right, well, we still have a lot of backing out there, but we're recovering some. Now, if we can just keep leading him back up here.
Right here's a nice spot if we can get him here.
So strong.
He's not done yet. Unbelievable how strong, eh?
Yes! Wicked!
Oh, there's a nice fish.
And he's still strong. Look at that. What a slab! A beautiful June fresh run Atlantic salmon from the Restigouche River. Oh, let's have a good look at that fish.
Beauty fish.
Oh, man. That's as fresh and as bright and as strong as they come.
Look at that beauty.
What a beautiful fish. Oh, let's put him back in the water.